This is Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn celebrating how my contacts are using their voices in the world in hopes to get to know some of y'all a little bit better. And today I wanted to spotlight Mel Allen, who is the voiceover talent at therealvoice.com. Mel says that he does narration, commercial, imaging, explainer videos, and e-learning. And he also helps voice actors who are new to the industry and has an engaging podcast at anyvoice.com. Now, some of you may just think that voice acting is kind of a precursor or an easier path into the world of acting. Like I, kind of embarrassedly, admittedly, used to think that writing children's books was an easier path into the world of authoring. And this is simply not the case. As a sometimes actress who just completed my own very first voice-only work, it was a radio version of A Christmas Carol through local Mask and Mirror community theater. I have found that doing that kind of precise vocal work takes a great deal of time and skill and experience to develop the kind of quality voiceover work that Mel is able to do. Now, I met Mel right here on LinkedIn, and I will say we both feel that vocal fry is a scourge of the world, and we would love to see it eliminated. And also, he has some pretty interesting posts here, right here on LinkedIn, some including his dog, Charlie Bacon, that are very heartwarming and very engaging. So check out Mel Allen at voiceover talent at therealvoice.com. And for your free vocal consultation or to sign up for my next Saturday morning voice lab, just go to laurahandke.com, or you can find me right here at LinkedIn.